What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. What a way to close out the week. Man, the Bulls came alive right at the end, but they play games with us today. We had the roller coaster ride and Spy and Tesla. Guys, if you are a Bull, you optimistic about next week. This was a good way to end off the week. They ended strong. We pushed above that 560 area. They boomed it there at the end and then kind of pulled back a little bit, but we still stayed above 560, so that's a good thing. As you see, we started out the day with the roller coaster ride. This is the SPY chart. We came down, went back up. You see that top right there? They came down, went back and hit that top. Boom, they came back down. I had a little exercise in the Discord today for people to pay attention to. That way, you able to identify these setups and see it in real time, just like I was able to spot it out and do it for yourself and enter a play to the downside if it's a double top, or enter a play to the upside on a double bottom. So as I said before, spotting these setups will help you get better and get sharper with your entries, because once you see that play right there, how many times have you got into a play and as soon as you jumped into that play right there and not being able to identify what the candlesticks was trying to do, as soon as you jumped and bought you a call right there, what happens? Boom, it comes back the other way. You getting smoked out of your play. You like, man, how come every time I jump into a play, it goes the opposite direction? Then you tired of getting burnt here. You're like, man, I'm losing my money. Let me sell. You get out of it. Or sometimes you don't even get out of it. You let it come all the way down. And then what happened? You go ahead and try to buy puts because it's going down, and then you get this, boom, to pop right back up. Guys, if you pay attention to the candlesticks and pay attention to what they're trying to form, these formations, that could save you so much heartache and keep you from getting smoked. Look at that down play. We came down, they came back down. They had that little curve right here. We had a little test back down to the 20, made the little bump here. It came back down, and then what happened? Boom. I think I even had a price in there. I said Bulls need to secure 562.80. They can do that. They can start running, and you see where they got that bump at. 562.80, boom, we ran up to my target 564, and then boom, that thing started pulling right back down. So I think the Bulls are trying to construct a run up next week. Again, all eyes on Fed Powell next week. We know what Powell can do to the market. If that data is good, or what he's putting out with that interest rate, if it's favorable and Wall Street is messing with it, we could rock and roll. That can start the beginning of some good stuff. So I'll break all of that down in my Sunday's video. I like what they did. They hit a crucial area on my chart that I had charted out. And this is what I've been saying for the last couple days. If they can get past this area right here strong, this 564, 564.10, and they can start closing candles under there. Look how many times they got smacked out. They got smacked over here a couple weeks ago. They was never able to get to this area. We challenged it at closing. They start holding through there. Boom, that put 570 back on the map. So again, we can switch to the Tesla chart. Tesla was trying to do something similar. They was trying to do the same thing. They trying to get out of this slump right here, this 251.80 slump. If you scroll over, look how many times they got rejected at that 251.60, 251.80. They got rejected so many times. Once they break out of that right there, that can give them that momentum to start booming this all the way back up to this area up in here at that 264 before they start trying to boom it to the higher stuff, sitting in 273, and slowly start making their way back up. But guys, this is stuff that you got to be able to pay attention to in the live session, and it's not hard. I don't have any fancy chart up here. Half the times you don't even hear me screaming EMAs in there unless, it's going down to the 200 and I'm trying to teach you something. But man, I'm just looking at candlesticks and I'm calling out the plays, and you guys already know I can call them out with the best of them. I ain't in the 15-minute chart. I ain't in the 4-hour chart. I ain't in the daily chart. I'm in the 5-minute chart, and you guys that rock with me know it doesn't matter. I throw those darts pinpoint accurate. So it don't matter if we talking about $2-3 run. When you see those in the Discord, when I call those out and it's that much of a gap in there, you already know to buy that call right there, because you know it's coming to that area, because I rarely miss when I'm throwing those darts out there. So guys, you know, we had a little training in the Discord today. I was trying to teach double tops. That way you guys can recognize it. I could have easily said, hey guys, you see that double top up there? I want you guys to spot these setups. That way, once you see the setup, you able to get into that play and dominate it, or either, again, save you from getting into play. If you thinking calls and you see those double tops forming, you know, hey, now isn't the time. Let me catch it on a double bottom and ride that thing back up. Because guys, we talked the double top today, but if you was paying attention to the charts, you knew when it was going to pop back up. You knew what it was going to do. You see this area right there, it came down right here. This is the one we call right over here. That's a double bottom. Boom, they ran that thing back up. You can spot these and be able to make money on the way up and the way down. But like I said, guys, it was fun being able to throw a little trivia out there. I threw it out there. I said, family, take a look at the Tesla and SPY charts in the 5-minute time frame. What do you see? You already had one top over there to the left, and they were coming down and ready to go back up. I said, what do you see? Spotting these things will help you sharpen your trading skills and help you be well equipped to fight these games that Wall Street is trying to throw at us. Don't fall for it. We better than that. We've been studying this for quite some time. We're not going to let Wall Street take our money no more. Don't fall for it, guys. We are not in the business to give it up to Wall Street. Not no more. We better than that. Keep it sharp, guys. So again, you see what happened? That's what it looked like when I called it out. That's what it started happening right there. And we seen the rest. That thing came all the way down. It dropped almost a $2 run. But guys, you already know, I know how to call it when it's ready to fall. You know, I know how to call it when it's ready to pop back up. You see? All right, team, those DTs has played out. Let's get back to business. SPY bulls trying to test that 561.05, holding that area as a run up to 561.50. You see us already. We done smacked that thing out of the ballpark. Expect anything different, you already know what time it is. We calling the shots out there. And I said, make sure you tune in Sunday. I'll be throwing my call outs, the hot tickers for Monday's session. So everybody else that's not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. All right, guys, I took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.